This is problem number 33 on page 371. In this problem, Roseanne is up here in purple on the top of this building, 400 feet above the ground, and she drops the ball. We want to find the average height and the speed, the average speed of the ball during the flight of the ball. So we start off with acceleration due to gravity is minus 32. The velocity is going to be a minus 32t, and the distance, we'll call it s, is going to be a minus 16t squared plus 400. So if I want to find the average speed, or the average distance, I want to see how long it's going to take the ball to impact the ground. So I'm going to set this minus 16t squared plus 400 equal to 0. And when we solve that, we get 16t squared is equal to 400. And 400 is just 16 times 25, so that's the same as t squared is equal to 25. Or it's going to be t is equal to 5. So the flight of the ball is going to take 5 seconds. All right, the average distance then, the average distance is, in the integral from 0 to 5 of my distance function, minus 16t squared plus 400, and I divide through by 5. And the antiderivative of that, of course, is minus 16 thirds t cubed plus 400t. And I want to evaluate at 0 and 5. And then, of course, we're going to divide through by 5. So when I do that, I'm going to get a minus 16 thirds times 5 cubed, of course, over 5, so that'll just be 5 squared, plus 400 times 5 over 5, that'll just be 400. Or we're going to get a minus 16 times 5 squared, 25, over 3, plus 400 times 5 over 5, so just 400. And of course, all of this right here is a minus 400 over 3. So my average speed, or my average distance, excuse me, is a minus 400 thirds plus 400. Well, 400 is 1200 thirds, so I get 800 thirds, and that is about 267 feet. So that's half of our answer. This is the average distance. Okay, now the average, let's do the average speed is going to be the integral from 0 to 5 of the velocity, which is a minus 32t. So I get a minus 16, all over 5. So I get 16t squared over 5, and I divide through by, minus 16t squared over 5. I want to evaluate at 0 and at 5, take the difference. Well, when I plug in 5 there, I get a minus 16 times 5 squared over 5, or that'll be a minus 16 times 5, minus 0, which is equal to a minus 80 feet per second. And that is our second part of the answer. This is our average speed. And we're done.